Ready na kag-baktas, Yoch? Oh, a lot of cars today. When you come here in the Ice Cave Midland, you just park beside the road because it's a private place. There is no exact parking lot. So here, you just find your spot beside the road to park your car. They have a long parking lot right now because it's weekend and there's a lot of people visiting the ice cave. See? Na hi! Where are you going, guys?